Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Let's just hop right into the video. Watch this video for inspiration on how to have a beautiful farmhouse decor style Christmas. If you love this type of content, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Now, farmhouse may not be your particular style, but there are so many different options and ways you can go with this. I felt like I had to include it. I have seen so many beautiful rooms so far. Like there is just something about Farmhouse that just it reminds me of home. I was born and raised in Oklahoma and I feel like that's the go-to style here. But so far, you guys comment down below. Let me know which room or scene or picture that you have seen that really speaks to you. So let me know in the comment section. Of course, I have to take a pause for the cause to bring you one of my favorite Christmas CDs ever. It's called Christmas in the Night by the Jeremy Thomas Quartet. This is absolutely amazing. Go ahead and head over to jeremythomasquartet.com to purchase this CD. If you like upbeat jazz and funks, music that actually feels good with good lyrics and appropriate for the family to play during the Christmas season, then this is for you. Let's get back in the video. So I'd asked you all previously what was your favorite style so far or room, and hopefully you have answered in the comments section, but if you want to see mine, it is this. I love this. I love this whole farmhouse vibe. This was just so pretty to me. I absolutely loved it. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.